Hey everyone, so this video is going to be about my 2022 AdSense from YouTube. So I'm really excited about this video. Let's just go ahead and get started. I'll head on over to the overview tab. So I made a total of $60.42 of estimated revenue from AdSense. Now I wasn't monetized until November in 2022. So hopefully this number will just continue to go up. But for the whole year, I had about 110.7K views, 5K watch time hours, 2.2K subscribers. So I started my channel in January of 2022. So this is actually the first year of this channel being run as well. So I'm really happy that I was able to get monetized in under a year. And it's all right that I'm not making hundreds of dollars a month yet, but I definitely would like to at some point, obviously. But right now my revenue is at least coming in. I had $0 the entire year, so I would much rather be making something a day rather than nothing. Because YouTube does take a lot of time and effort. If you have your own channel, then you know how much time it takes to make all these videos, do the thumbnails, and then do the descriptions, tags, and all of that stuff. And it just takes a lot of time and effort to figure it out and continue to be consistent in posting videos. So the first day I was monetized, November 7th, 2022, I made $3.42. And then it's kind of gone down since there. I have a bunch of days less than $1 now, some days above $1. I'm averaging about $30 a month right now because I made $60. And if you check out my previous AdSense report videos, I made about $30 in November and $30 in December of 2022. So I'm making about $1 a day if I average it out that way. So I'm hoping for this month we can up that a bit to 40 so I can at least reach that $100 minimum threshold. But regardless, I'm just really happy that the channel is growing. I know this isn't a ton of money right now, but I want to make these videos because I want people to see a realistic YouTube revenue video, because I watch a lot of them and most of the time they monetize really quickly and then they're making hundreds if not thousands of dollars a month with YouTube already. And it's just I don't know, it's kind of disheartening, I guess, when I'm only making 50 cents in a day. But then I remember that this isn't everybody's journey. Everyone's journey is different, and those people who are making hundreds of dollars quickly, they're the minority. And although it's definitely possible to do it, I really want to put out some more realistic income reports, because I feel like for most people the journey with YouTube is slower. It's not a get rich quick thing, or they don't go viral or anything like that. I feel like their journey is definitely more gradual, kind of like how mine has been so far. So I really hope this is helpful and it doesn't discourage you or anything. I think YouTube is amazing. And I've also watched some YouTubers who post their income reports and they only made $10 their first month, and now they're making $20,000 a month. For example, I would definitely recommend checking out Kelly Stamp's new YouTube video on the camera that she got sponsored to promote, because she actually posts her AdSense revenue in the video. And I thought that was just incredible. So many YouTubers don't even post their revenue, and she is one of the largest YouTubers that I follow, and she actually posted her AdSense from when she first got monetized. In her first month, I think she made $50 or something. I forget. I'd have to go back and look. But then one month she made $20,000. So if she had stopped when she was only making $1 or so a day, then she wouldn't be anywhere near where she is now. So if your income report looks like mine, then just keep going. It's okay. It's probably going to take time, and we just have to do our best. And the other thing is the RPM and CPM. Those are all different for all videos. Every day mine are always changing. Right now the average for the year is very low, 67 cents RPM, and the CPM is 887. It's kind of was up the first day and then averaged out, and same for the RPM. I'm not sure why it says 67 cents when all these are above it. Maybe because I'm not sure if it might average out all these zeros, which would definitely make more sense, but I'm not sure. But it's okay. We're just gonna go with the flow and keep creating videos, kind of see what happens. So looking at my monthly estimated revenue, I made $29.58 in November, $30.85 in December. So November, I didn't get monetized until the 7th. So I almost had a full month, but I didn't. December, I was monetized for the entire month. So I actually made less money in December because with the extra days, I made almost the same amount of money. My best revenue video right now is this one, and that's because it has the most amount of views, and it also is long enough to have ads within the video, so that made sense to me. And then my other coloring book, and then this resize Amazon KDP cover, which is really interesting because it doesn't, I don't even think it has 1,000 views yet, or if it does, like, it's not much over that. And but like every few days or so, like there's random days within it that the RPM and CPM just jumped up. And I definitely went over that in the December 2022 report. So if you're interested in seeing those numbers, please go check it out. And then the budget planner also has made quite a bit of money, which actually I may have gone over this video instead. So ignore that first comment. But it was one of these two videos that I checked because I knew they didn't have a lot of views, but they were bringing in like some money where they're on my top earning content. So and then my November 2022 income report. So CPM and RPM definitely play a huge part in the amount of money that you make. And I wish all my videos could have really high numbers, but I'm pretty sure it was a budget planner I was talking about because money and finance stuff tend to have a higher CPM and RPM, and it can go all the way up to like $30, $50. And it's just kind of really cool to see how a video that has less views can make the same as a video that has the double, like a double amount of views, if that makes sense. But I know this is kind of like a chaotic video. I'm kind of just going over a ton of different things, but I really hope this is helpful and it kind of gives you some insight on channel monetization and what you could potentially expect for revenue. And I hope that if you're not monetized yet, that you get monetized soon. And if you are monetized, then I'd love to know how it's going for you with your revenue and how you're kind of feeling about YouTube overall, because I totally get the frustration and just wanting to take off or make a decent amount of income. But unfortunately, sometimes these things just take time, and we all can't have a viral video and start making thousands of dollars right away, although that would be amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching and listening. And again, all of this, or most of this, is like all my opinion. Some of it's actually stats and numbers that are on my screen here, but if you don't agree with me, then definitely let me know in the comments. Like, I'm still learning YouTube, so if I say something that doesn't really make sense, then I would love some help on that. So again, I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you very, very much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.